Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2015 Gray Wolf 25RR by Forest River. This is going to have a power tongue jack, dual propane tanks on the front end, diamond plate rock guard to help protect the front end from rock chips. Does have 3/4 pass-through on the front end. Power awning on the door side. Big LED light strip underneath the power awning. Has the connections and hookups for exterior entertainment. Front bedroom. Nice big private bath. Refrigerator, freezer. 3-burner cooktop. Nice big kitchen sink. Microwave oven. 2 fold-up large couch / converts into a nice big bed in the back. Has a screen wall at the ramp door. Air conditioning on board. This is going to be a wood frame aluminum siding. Exterior shower. Nice size hot water heater. Stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Just another one of our used pre-owned toy haulers that we have here at Guaranty RV Center. That is a small, lightweight pull trailer toy hauler. If you have any questions on this particular unit or a specific used or new toy hauler you're looking for, feel free to give me a call direct at 541-979-1770, and that is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you and have a great day.